Hello, I'm James and I'm here in Saint John, New Brunswick to do glass blowing for the very first time in my life. Curtis is a local legend. Glass Roots is one of the finest places in Saint John and I can't wait to go in there and literally do something absolutely incredible for the first time in my life. Glass blowing. Who's going to guess? Let's go! Curtis! It's so nice to finally meet you. I've heard so many amazing things about this place and everything that you do.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for coming down.
I mean,
I know we're hard to find.
Yes, off the beaten path. But I've seen the sign, I've obviously seen pictures on social, I've heard people talking about you, so it's really incredible to see all of this in the literal flesh. The thing that I hear is that, you know, in addition to creating beautiful pieces for people's homes that become heirlooms, you're also known for doing, you know, awards. I know, I missed, did you make the fiddlehead for the New Brunswick Book Awards last year?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, well, see, I won the year before. I won the year before and got a piece of paper. I missed it, but look, I got that, and someone else got a beautiful Curtis original.
Yeah.
I missed it by a year. So anyway, I'm writing another book now, so I can win one of your beautiful fiddleheads. Yeah. So how would you? I mean, how did you even get into this? When I look at every piece is unique. But I can't even begin to imagine how one would.
Well, I grew up all over Canada in harbour towns. My father was a shipbuilder. But anyways, I was in PEI and I'd seen photographs in a book of glass blowing and decided at some point, after getting so many layoffs,
that'll do it. All creative spirits and trips out west start with multiple layoffs. So if you're watching this and you don't want to be an idiot, you need to try glass blowing. Well, we'll see. If I leave here, if at the end of this, and I'm still waving these around and I've still got both hands, then
there is a very real threat of getting burned.
Yeah,
so we've got a good track record.
Nice, yeah. Beautiful.
Because it can certainly be a little bit awkward for people at first. So.
I mean, it's just incredible. It feels creative. So, is this like order? Is this orders or how?
Yeah, this is everything we can fit on the board. That's my next to-do list.
So
we've been really hustling with catching up because we were shut down for a while.
Oh, nice! And this year's New Brunswick Book Awards. They were just announced. Yesterday. Nice. That is super cool. Yeah. And so a lot of these commissions essentially come about from word of mouth. Like it's you know.
Yeah, I think so.
It's amazing. Well,
we've always been supported most by the community in New Brunswick. That's why we're here.
I feel you. It's exactly the same thing. It's the thing that makes this place special is it's the way that people welcome newcomers, and newcomers come in with crazy ideas, and people go, you want to be a comedian in New Brunswick? Done. You want to be a glass player? Done. We'll help you out. Whatever you want to do, we'll help you out. And that's what I love about this place as well.
Yeah. Of course, when we gather, we have to reach right in. Your hand comes up here, so I'm going to do that for you because this is a big furnace, and we don't want the rods to get hot up here in the middle of the rod.
So where does it get hot? Oh, so it gets hot up to gotcha.
Yeah, it's kind of tarnished.
I see. Yeah.
But we'll have to remember. So, are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed. Yeah.
Right-handed. So you're gonna have your left hand forward when I pass you the rod. So I'll kind of go like this.
Okay. Yeah.
And your left hand's like that, right? Gotcha. And then you're gonna be controlling the molten glass. Okay.
Controlling it with the left.
With both.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. So there's no gas and brakes. You don't want to be ratcheting the glass. You want to use both hands to allow it to roll. And you're gonna watch the glass. And people always ask me, like, do I have to keep turning? Well, you're going to watch the glass, and it's going to tell you, okay? Because it's not like you just turn, I call it panic turning. If you're just turning, you can't see what the glass is doing, right? So you're not communicating with it. So you want to slow down, see the glass move, and if it goes down, you roll it so it's up, wait for it to come back to center, continue your rolling, okay? So you got to be, it's a slower is faster kind of thing.
So would it be a similar discipline to pottery in that respect, in the kind of the yin and yang of it?
Well, it very much changes its like viscosity as you work with it. Right? And so it's fundamental to be always kind of utilizing the heat from the gather and reheating it constantly. So we use
so
this. So I just twirled it up like a bit of honey right on the end, right? And then by allowing this to cool for a moment, that's about as much as I can get. By allowing it to cool for a moment, I'm able to dip in and get another layer, right? And just hand it off.
Beautiful. So left hand here.
Yeah. Never grab the head of my hand.
Yeah, and then keep going like that.
Yep. And you want to angle it down a little bit. Okay? No, you're not going to the color yet.
Oh, no.
So just angle it down a little so the glass is moving off the rod a bit. So.
Oh yeah,
more like this.
Oh, right? Gotcha. Sorry, yeah, you did tell me that.
And keeping it centered.
But keep it slow turn.
Right. So you can see it's not moving a whole lot, but that gives you a start of a feel. So I'm going to get your next scatter for you, and now it's going to be very hot.
Okay. So about here, that's good, and then just move nice and slow, or
a little faster now.
A little faster, yeah.
Good. Angle it down. We want to see the glass coming off the rod quite a bit for this one.
Okay. What if I don't? But can I go too fast at this point, or
no? You're doing great. Actually, just watching it be centered. Okay. So it's intuition, and now you want to bring it back up to level and head over for your color. Okay.
Nice.
There. Now you're dead center.
And then I can come back up.
Yeah, now back to level.
Okay,
and
beautiful.
You're gonna head over here, James, and rest. So now you want to go in and get that nice and hot.
Going, oh yeah, nice.
Okay, right about there.
Right there, perfect. And just keep turning it, yeah?
Yeah. With the door on this side, I have to come over here to be able to see what you're doing. I'll bring this over like this.
Beautiful.
Left hand
okay, hold it there.
Over top.
Over there. Yep, beautiful.
And start your pinches.
And I can start pulling outwards.
No, just pinches first.
Oh, I like that. Oh, sorry. Yep. Got like this.
Yeah.
Oh shit. There we go. Oh.
Actually, you've got a great feel for the glass already. Okay.
What?
So now you want to keep going around.
Sorry. Yeah.
And pulling it out.
Oh, pulling out. Yes. Sorry.
Yeah. And you're gonna 2 inches on this. One more turn.
One more, yeah, like that. Like that, beautiful. Like this?
Hold it.
Yeah, it's not going to snap off.
Take it from there.
Beautiful.
This is fantastic. Actually, you picked my favorite color.
No way! Yeah. It's my favorite color too.
What? This is gold pink. I was actually at the factory in Germany where they made this. And they make 500 kilograms, and they put... they said at the time over $20,000 worth of pure gold in it.
Jesus.
For 500 kilograms of glass, and that's where the pink comes from.
I mean, every house, more joy can be brought into any house with pink. That's what I say. And just that light is gorgeous.
Good,
I didn't burn myself.
Actually, a very beautiful piece.
Oh my God, that is magical. Wonderful. And then I gather it flat again, like.
If it's a little off like that, you want to just.
Or just sit for a minute.
So slow down so you can see the glass doing what it does.
Yeah. This is good. The more the merrier.
Angle it down a little. We want to see it moving off the rod just a bit. Hit the turn. There you go. Back up to level, because once that starts to go.
All right. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
And you can take that to the color. The hotter you go in the color.
So do I get the colors first? So go flat or?
Yeah, go flat like this, like a bit of an angle. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Just let it kind of.
Can I? Oh, should I have done that? Can I go to the
you can do that. You can do whatever you want with it, really.
Okay, the blue.
Yeah, you can roll it in, or you can just.
And then should I come along here and do the flattening, or?
No. So that's
I'll get some more green.
Okay. We are letting it hang off the side of the pipe. Pretty.
Oh, sorry.
So you want to just, there you go, perfect.
Okay. Oh, just relax, just keep it coming slow, nice and slow. Here we go. And then like this.
Backhand down a little. Nice and gentle.
Oh, nice and, icy, firm. Sorry, yes, you did tell me that, yeah. Here we go, I'm going to come back this way.
Ease up.
Ease up, too firm.
Let it roll nice and easy. You don't want to.
Gotcha.
And if you get your left hand up here, you'll have a lot more control.
Beautiful.
A little warm, but.
No, warm.
That's really great, actually.
I mean, consider what it looked like a minute ago.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So, yeah, I mean.
Okay, and then
you got that skill down.
Okay, beautiful.
So you can bring it back to the yoke. You're going to heat it up again.
And then I heat it up again.
Yeah.
So just a little bit before.
Right on there, yeah.
And then I'm in that seat.
Yeah. You want to let it give it a bit of time to get soft, and when you bring it to the bench this time, you're going to use the pinchettis again just to give it some pokes.
Gotcha.
To create these little wisps and bubbles.
Dig into the end and then pull it out. Yeah.
And you can do it multiple times or however you want, and just kind of make it interesting. I'll take it off, splash.
Oh yeah, and it's just more splash on the water, yeah? There we go. And then same thing, just like that, cupping it.
It is better if you do put your left
hand
on.
Like here.
Sorry.
No, yeah, like there's a good spot, yeah. Beautiful.
You need to be able to roll it.
Yes, gotcha.
You can start to turn your hand.
Yeah. Ouch! Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, Charlotte, we need you here.
So, okay. Hey, but we will never forget this moment. We will always have this.
If I were to bring it into the natural light.
It looks like an award.
It does, yeah.
Yeah. What have we here?
So these are the pieces you made with your...
Which maestro of artistry made this beautiful creation? So you were just saying that you believe this to be the greatest creation that you've ever seen?
It deeply reminds me of something I once saw in a gallery in Prague. So
really? Were you in the washroom at the time? So I don't know how to take that. If I'm still in an art gallery in Prague, what does he mean by this?
It's fantastic, I think. World class.
It's thank you. Curtis, I cannot thank you enough, mate. That was a phenomenal experience. I didn't ever imagine that this was something that someone could walk in off the street and do straight away. I thought this was something that required months and months of training. But I mean, you are.
Well, I'm there to try to keep you safe and explain everything. But honestly, you did amazing. You made two beautiful heirloom pieces.
I'm so honoured that I have.
We get the memory to share.
That's it. The fact that today and what we just went through and this beautiful experience is something to live on my desk and in my family forever. It's a magical thing. I implore everyone out there to come to Glassworks. Honestly, you will never have another experience like this. I mean, first of all, Curtis, world-class legend, most fun person ever, great teacher, leave with some beautiful art that you yourself has created with the guidance of the maestro. And best of all, there's even a glory hole in there. So no one's ever not had fun in a glory hole. That might not be true. Not everyone has. I always have. Love you, brother. Thank you so much. I'll see you here at Glassworks, here in Saint John. It's worth travelling for. Come across. Curtis came from across the country to come to Saint John. You should too.